Hello everyone! Today I'll show you the full step-by-step process on how to link your GCash account to the UPLIFT DSWD Portal. This is so that when assistance funds are released, they will go straight and safely into your GCash. Let's begin. Open your Chrome browser and type this link uplift-j2p.dswd.gov.ph. Then tap Sign in with eGov. Choose how you'd like to receive your one-time verification code, either email or phone number. Then tap Continue. Enter the 6-digit OTP sent to your email address. Tap Verify Code. And then enter your 6-digit eGov PIN to complete. And tap Sign in. And tap Accept and Continue. On the main page, look for Add Financial Address, select GCash, then tap Add. Enter your GCash mobile number, double check that the account name matches exactly. This must be the same name registered on your GCash. Then tap Submit. You're done. When you see the success message your record has been updated, you're all set. Then tap Back to Home. You will see GCash status verified, marked as primary, your number and name shown correctly, reminders that the name on your UPLIFT account and your GCash must match exactly. Keep your eGov PIN safe, never share it with